तालियां बस करो, बस इस तरह तालियां नहीं, बस
I mean, please say a few words.
First of all, just want to say thanks for taking out time. Good evening to all of you, and this is a very special event for us. This is our association has been going on for a few years now, and if anyone noticed, while we were waiting for this to set up, we were just catching up because we've become family. We believe in the same morals, and I'm really happy to be here for technical stuff. I mean,
thank you. Again, thank you everyone for coming here, for taking out the time. We are very excited for today's event. It's the IPC Awards. IPC Awards is the only poker awards in the country right now. We planned IPC, I would say close to 8 years ago, where earlier we started off with tournaments in Goa. This is the second edition of the IPC Awards. The last time the IPC Awards was in Bangalore. This platform is to felicitate all the poker champions who performed really great, who won really big tournaments on Spartan Poker in the India Online Poker Championship Series. We've called close to 100 poker players across the country, and there's another 100 from Bombay itself. They all will be here and they'll be given awards and felicitated, and will be given the recognition which any other mind sport player gets in the country. So thank you so much once again for being here and giving us a chance to bring it out to everyone outside.
Poker as a sport is very dear to me, and I think Amin and the boys in the office, when they decided on who should be representing, were not looking for somebody who was just influential or a celebrity or stuff like that. They wanted to get somebody who believed in it and who was a player himself, not to a professional level, which I wish I had that kind of time, but a great player. And over a period of interaction and knowing a few poker players, the passion is what I really enjoy in the office. That everybody believes that when you look at skill and look at talent in our country, there was nobody who was picking up people from different parts of the country and saying, hey, you've done really well in this sport, you have worked hard, and I am going to honor that. You know. So today when he says 100 people have come here, it's amazing that we've got 100 people out of their small towns, cities, who've achieved this sitting in their rooms, maybe hiding from their friends or stuff, but today they'll get honored and they'll be proud because they're sportsmen. Poker is a sport where if you don't know too much about it, you can frivolously say different things about it. लेकिन अगर आप sport में घुसे, you realize it needs patience. I know a lot of poker players who meditate. I know people who are really young but have become really mature because they play poker. The same poker players always reach the finals. Like any other sport, the best tennis players will reach the finals or semi-finals. वैसे ही poker में best players ही final table तक पहुंचते हैं. Which means that it's a matter of your skill. It's not a matter of luck. So it's only once you get into the sport, you realize that how much skill it takes. Poker teaches you to read people. Poker teaches you how to behave, how to control your nerves. These are things that the same practices are done by F1 drivers, batsmen. They do the same meditation, same practices to control their nerves as a poker player. And over the last few years, especially with the interaction, now meeting a lot of professional players thanks to Spartan Poker, what has happened is that these things have helped me in my career because I can control my emotions. Maybe some negotiations are better. Maybe I can do a scene better because I know how to control. Poker face मतलब आपके अंदर जो चल रहा है वो आपके opponent को ना पता चले. And that's a great asset for a businessman, for an actor, for somebody who hosts shows. And I actually physically क्या है ना, I can go to roadies पे tasks, sports, but to keep my mind active and to see if I'm still sharp, I always go back and I call my friends. I know some sharp players like, let's play poker. Am I still as good? क्या मैं तुम्हें पढ़ सकता हूँ? Do I understand why you're doing this specific move? And that keeps me mentally agile. And over a period of time in your life, you realize that more than physical ability, if you're mentally agile, everything else falls into place. So that is the value of poker as a sport in my life.
You want to add something? Was that good? Yeah, I saw some people getting impressed. Yeah. Some were like, "Chalo, lao set lao."
Well, I would like to say I've played with Ranvijay on the table. He's a really tough competition. I guess maybe if he had to choose a second profession, I'm sure he would fit perfectly as a poker player.
So here's the thing. I'm going to make the announcement. No, here's the thing. I want to keep in touch with the sport because I'm so competitive as a sportsman. I play basketball, I play ultimate frisbee, I do a lot of adventure activities, and I know growing older, physically I won't be able to be so competitive in all the sports. So I'm promising, that if we have this kind of relationship, in 10, 12 years, I will not just be the face, I'll be hopefully more famous also, and I'll also be a sportsman for Spartan. I'll be one of the players because I'm very competitive and I want to be good at the sport. So that's something that will happen and that'll be a new chapter in my life. Because I don't want to be a sportsman who's sitting at home and saying, "Arey, mera ghutna chale gaya, main kaise kya kelu?" Because competitive spirit is not just physical, it's all here. You want to win. Right? That can be in ludos, that can be in chess also. It doesn't have to be always कि मैंने इतने shots मारे basketball में. And after a certain point, a lot of the best sportsmen in the world have turned to poker. Shane Warne,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Lots of MMA athletes को तो थोड़ा और जल्दी retire होना पड़ता है. Boxing fighters, they all turn to poker because that's the one sport that actually gives them the feeling of winning, and it's mind over matter. Exactly like any of the hard sports that they play. So yes, today I could be a brand ambassador, but soon I aspire to represent Spartan Poker as a player, and then you'll have to take me to Vegas and all those tournaments. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. मुझे लगता है मेरे साथ साथ यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग अभी, and there is, I know a few players who are Spartan players. They're also coaching. So one of the players that we know in common, he actually, whenever I play at home, he says, "Okay, अब ये करो, वो करो, थोड़ा सा ऐसा करो." So I am getting some professional tips from Spartan athletes.
Another example of the skill factor, like apart from Shane Warne and Chris Gayle, we've also had Vishwanathan Anand, who's a chess player. He's moved into poker. So his primary skill set is his mental strategy. And if a person like him moves to poker, itself is saying that the similar amount of strategy or similar amount of effort is used in the sport. So again, highlighting the skill factor, the amount of skill factor poker has.
The kind of people who are here today all believe in the same things that we've just said, and we're going to be honoring them today. It'll be a fun event where a lot of poker players from around the country who've played on the Spartan poker, and a lot of our local players will meet and they will exchange. And when they start talking, you will see the data and they know each other's moves and they'll say, "Yaar, us hand mein tune ye kyun kiya tha? Why did you do it?" It is so interesting. So I'm looking forward to those conversations, and I hope a great evening. And I'm really happy for these guys who get the awards today, because when they go back home, they'll have a huge respect and they will have this sense of satisfaction that they've achieved something. Because awards and prizes and medals really do make a difference in a sportsman's life.
You're clapping. She's like taking her life. She's like,
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Now we'll open the floor for some questions. If anybody has some questions.
Hi, Ranvijay sir. My name is Utkarsh, and I'm representing Witty Feed. So it's an online digital media platform. And my question here is, see, we've right from the conversation, it was really informative, and much of our audience are millennials, and youth, so they very much relate with the content that you said as of now. So from from Diwali parties to poker championships, how is the trend changing? Because Diwali parties were actually for fun. So this is a very traditional question. But yeah, I guess my audience would like to know that.
So we're both going to answer this. I'm going to give you a layman's answer. He's going to give you a technical, industry expert answer. Poker is an all-year thing. Poker is, it mentally stimulates a lot of people. People who play poker hate the Diwali parties because that's where serious poker doesn't happen. That's where you have punters who are just going on their luck. So I know a lot of poker players who around Diwali are like, bro, main nahi khel raha ek hafte ke liye. Because here it's not about reading the person, it's not the sport, it's the festive spirit. And that's why we encourage people to play during the whole. It's like a sport. अगर आप हर रोज practice नहीं करोगे साल भर तो tournament के time पर it's not like suddenly you'll play better. So over the last 3-4 years, I can say that I've noticed that poker players play regularly, and it's really turned from that Diwali traditional playing cards is a different thing, and people have now seen the difference. Young people, of course, understood it right away, but my parents also, when I say I'm going for a game of poker, they don't say best of luck. They say play well. So when it changed with my parents, I realized that I made a difference there. And over a period of time, when I go for Diwali parties, there is a separate section of serious people who say, okay, hum log poker wahan khelte hain. That's what I've seen. Now, the expert, you will get the expert detailed version.
Well, clearly poker has replaced the traditional Tirupati game because the new generation, the smarter generation, wants something which has thrills, which has some kind of challenge, where there's some kind of decision to be made. Clearly, Tirupati, the earlier orthodox card game, did not have those kind of facilities for a player.
It was purely based on luck and the deep pockets of a person on that particular night, right? And in poker, both are controlled. You can have the worst cards,
The
least money. It depends on how I play the same cards and how another person plays the same cards. The result will be different. And I will only be able to play in my limit. It doesn't matter कि दूसरे की limit है या limitless है. In Tirupati, that was the problem. You're not deciding on somebody's behavior or somebody's move, and it's not strategies. It's just like if somebody's got deeper pockets that day, then you're like, all right, I'll fold. So that's a very good point.
Sorry, I felt like jumping in because
good point. Again, India as a country itself is evolving into exploring different kind of sports. Like I remember when I was in school, the only sport we remembered was cricket. Now if you see a lot of people are going to soccer, into hockey, into chess, basketball, tennis, poker. They're exploring all kinds of sport as per their capabilities. Earlier, the only option we had if you wanted to make a career was cricket. Now there's a career opportunity in any sport you play. Even poker has, I know thousands of professional poker players who live, who live their life and who have families and everything is handled by poker. So there's an entire ecosystem around it. So yes, again, I feel that this trend is only going to go higher. How poker has replaced games during Diwali. It will replace a lot of other mind games as well, or at least be at par with them.
Yeah, but it is really great that poker has come out as a profession as well. Yeah, it's still considered very very conventional and stereotypical in the society. Adopting, especially in the Indian society, where if you're a 90s kid, especially, you start poker with the Tirupati stuff. So how do we deal with that situation?
Slowly and steadily, and of course there have never been Tirupati awards ever. When people learn of events like this and companies like the Spartan Poker, they realize that, एक बात बताओ इसके awards क्यों हो रहे हैं? Even if a person questions that, our purpose is getting solved slowly. Because then another person will say, because ये एक skill game है. इसमें सबको अगर सेम पत्ते भी दिए जाए, the result is not कि जिसके अच्छे पत्ते वो जीतेगा, right? That is the whole reason of an event like this. That is the reason that the guys who are good players are getting recognition, so that when they go back and they share it on their social media or their families and all, people ask them, people wonder, and people then realize. And the company's been doing this for 8 years, and that's why we see a change. And like people say, revolutions don't happen overnight. So till the time our intent is right, like even if we change 5 people or 10 people today, we've done our job. अब धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा. जब तक हो रहा है positive, we are happy, and that's all that really matters. Because till 3 years back, if I told somebody that I'm the brand ambassador of this thing, they would ask me, "अच्छा, इसका ही brand ambassador होता है?" Today they come and say, "यार, मेरे को एक coupon code मंगवा देना यार, because मेरे को 500 वाला." So I'm like, "Yeah, ठीक है," but because they've understood it's skill, people get addicted to it in a way where they want to be better. Nobody's anytime मेरे पत्ते अच्छे आ रहे हैं, they're like, "I just want to be a better player." And in the luck games, it's always like यार पत्ते अच्छे आ जाए, फिर मैं बताऊँ. So that's not like अरे मेरी bowling में 150 kilometers per hour हो जाए फिर बताऊँ. It should be whatever you're dealt with, how do you play that? It's getting better with more awareness, with people talking about it, with us doing many campaigns, informative campaigns. Like we did one 6 months ago. It was informative. Instead of saying play poker on this, it was not that. As a company, the responsibility was to tell people what it is. So even on my social media, like this is a poker, is a mind sport, this is what it means, I said. So those are the kind of things we're doing. So hopefully that will help change slowly and steadily.
So I will just stop with my last. So you just mentioned IPC is the first poker awards in the country. So of course we are the first movers. So what steps are we going to take in the near future for a better community building? So awards is one thing, so it's really appreciative, and this is the reason we are here. And the world is watching us. Of course, we've taken a move. Say what 2 or 3 years down the line, because we're also tech savvy along with. So technology is gonna change. People are gonna change. Things are gonna evolve. What can be the new measures of community building in the near future for poker?
So along with awards, we also intend to keep a lot of live tournaments where people compete with each other. We also plan to keep a few charity events and take it mainstream on television, where we show the entire country that, show the game actually, where how people are playing, how they are playing with cards which are not so good but still winning. We are also trying to show that the same people are actually winning almost all the time. So we're trying to get the skill factor out, and again, I guess you guys also play a very important part over here, because you guys are the voice of the country. Whatever you guys collect, whatever information you collect and how you present it to the public is what will help us reduce the taboo.
Also, making a lot of content around it, awareness content. A lot of our players, the Spartan athletes, are sponsored, which means ghar chal raha unka. Their lives are aspirational. Every sport in any country, developing nation, needs stars in that sport. Why did boxing become a sport to go after only after we got Olympic medals in that? Or wrestling? Or football? Before Bhaichand Bhutia, or now my dear friend Sunil Chhetri, or leagues happening, parents wouldn't encourage their kids to become football players. Now they're like, you're good at football, go for the school. Yes? So we'll also be building up profiles of players who, when people look at, young people look at, they're like, I want to be like this. I want to become a star, a celebrity, a good player. I want to represent India. So those are the kind of things we'll do, because every sport needs stars, right? And that's happening. We actually have, now today you'll see a lot of these guys, outside the poker circuit we might know, but they're stars here, right? And a lot of the younger players who will be watching this content, which will be making and reading stories and things that you will write, they will be like, I want to be there next year. I want to live this guy's life. So something like this you did 3 years ago. I saw a profile on a person who was a poker player who didn't even have a bike, but because he won a car. And what happened with the car? He gifted to his parents. उस घर में पहली बार गाड़ी तब आई जब वो एक पोकर टूर्नामेंट जीता स्पार्टन पोकर पे. So this prize is not to just कि स्पार्टन पोकर ने एक गाड़ी दी है. Is to uplift people, is to inspire people, because that's what sports does. Why do people want to become successful cricketers? So that they can afford a better lifestyle, also help their families, their community, organizations, and that's exactly what, when we do it, it'll become better. Right?
Yes.
So, get lots of players, sponsor them, send them abroad, naam kama ke aayenge, log dekhenge and they want to be. And dekha dekhi in the last 3-4 years, we have so many people who've left their A-grade, crisp, white-collar jobs and become professional poker players. Good lifestyle. All poker players who are serious work out. They're healthy. You'll never see an unfit poker player. It's not like, अरे तो poker ही खेलता है, because a serious poker player will get up, do yoga, do meditation, take care of what he or she eats. Actually, poker players don't drink. You know, when you get into it, you realize, wow, yeah, there's a lot of discipline and people are pretty serious about this. I should do this every day.
Yeah.
I'm pretty good at it.
Thank you.
Thanks for the question. Very insightful.
Hi, my name is Karan. So basically, I wanted to ask, how is Spartan Poker planning to move, have a good global presence?
Okay, good question, Karan. Actually, we've been thinking about it a lot. That once we have a good base in India, we do have plans to go to the Asian market. Because again, in the Asian market, poker is a very popular sport. It's much more older than what it is in India. Or rather, I would say in India, poker is the youngest in the world right now. So yes, Southeast Asia primarily is something we've been looking at.
There are some sponsored athletes that they already have. When they go and represent in official poker championships, they're representing Spartan Poker. That's a way of making a name in the international market also. After which, going there and being present there as in the market would be great. But for me, I don't see the business side because I'm not included in it. I love the fact that somebody sitting somewhere in India is like, one day I want to be a Spartan athlete, right? Which means he'll be sent to Vegas representing India if he wins, if he's the India champion. And I think that's the way to promote sportsman spirit and the same thing, that inspiring people and people wanting to be sponsored athletes. Because that's a beautiful thing. If you're playing a sport and that could be your life, you'll be happy and everybody around you will be happy.
And one question for you, Vijay. So, what you mentioned various points of Spartan Poker.
There was no. So a lot of people think that they're very intelligent, they're very smart, and I get that high of mental prowess only when I play poker. Otherwise, me telling you that I'm smarter than you is just a very bad thing to say to somebody, right?
One way to prove it.
There is no way to prove it. I play chess also, right? But there are not a lot of people who, and it takes a long time. So my younger brother actually started playing poker when he was in the Merchant Navy Academy. These 2-3 boys, young guys, they cornered me, and for 2-3 days they lagatar like around me. So then I was like, okay, there is nothing that I'm not good at. That's what I think, and that's the attitude that I carry. And I started practicing and all, and now it's been 6 or 8 years, and they've been always on the low. And that's the kind of dominance that I did when I was playing basketball, and I like that. Because that word spread in Bandra, where his office is, they found out that this guy is a dominant guy. Like in my peer circle, they're scared of playing against me because I'm very competitive. Somebody has defeated me, I will find that guy somewhere in a month's time and I'll defeat him, and he'll never. That's the kind of guy I am, and that's why I want to later on become a pro. When these guys approached me through another professional player, I was like, this is God sent, because I let things go out in the universe. I wanted to play basketball all my life. Now I work for the biggest league in the world. I promote them in India. So this was one of those things. I started playing poker. I want to be good at it. I want to have the dominance. And these guys came. So as soon as that happened, we met a couple of times. Synergies was, morals were same, ethics were same. Synergies were meeting, and I was like, okay, let's do this. And it's been what, 3 years? 3 years without a hiccup. Except for the fact, yesterday I put a video where I'm doing a 2-day event in Delhi, first and second, but I'm going to be there only on the second. The whole team is like, dude, he's going to be in Delhi. Except for that hiccup, which was that funny one, we haven't had one. I got messages for 7 people. Have I answered your question?
Yeah.
Yes, thanks. End game was in London, and that's also because of him. I was anyways there. My daughter was born, and for a year we were there. So there was a time when he was there. He's like, I'm here, and come, I'll take you to a proper tournament. Because I'm also not a guy who goes to different locations yet to play. So he introduced me to it. I did well. Of course, I did not win too much, but the experience was like, there were times when, because I didn't know these people, I was on edge. And that's what, there was adrenaline pumping without me accelerating on a bike or jumping off a cliff. And I was like, how is this thing giving me so much pump getting us going? And I was sitting there, and of course there were people from different backgrounds. You know, there's a Britisher, there's somebody from Poland, and I'm not even representing my country, but I'm like, harana. So that's when I was like, eventually, because I will do this, and I got that taste, and he was there to see it. So I'm going to do it. So that was in London. We plan to next year go to Vegas with another couple of athletes. I'm going to notice things. Maybe do a couple of just the one-day tournaments, not the main event, and then see how it goes. But I'm going to keep you posted. Thanks.
I have a question. You said that IPC.
You've seen some poker videos on YouTube, where you can see everybody's cards as a viewer, but they don't know, right? Like a game. So we plan to do that without any money or anything, and have a tournament between a lot of influential celebrities who represent their own organizations. They are playing for banter, and they're playing for chilling out with their friends, also talking about what's going on in their lives, what's happening, and the backdrop is poker. Eventually, whoever comes first, the prize money goes to that organization. So those kind of innovative, out-of-the-box things we're trying to make, and ideas get greenlit, and then execution happens and everything. But I think a very important part of anything is good content, right? If we make good content around, that's what I think. If this does well, a lot of people will start seeing the good in the sport and what we as a company are trying to do. A reality show can only happen with proper professional players, right? And that's something that we're discussing, but we need to see if it's going to be feasible with the amount of sponsorship that you put in or the money you put in, and if you can get the returns, right? Because if that doesn't happen, then we'll be in a losing kind of a proposition. So hopefully when the momentum gains more, that is definitely on the cards. Oh, definitely on the cards. Yes. Well played.
सर यहाँ पे अच्छा गेम को लेके अवार्ड्स को बोला
हम लोग यहाँ पर हैं आईपीसी अवार्ड्स के लिए, और स्पार्टन पोकर एक ऐसा कंपनी है जो ये अब दूसरी बारी कर रहा है, एंड बेसिकली पिछले बहुत सालों से स्पार्टन पोकर हैज बीन प्रमोटिंग द स्पोर्ट ऑफ पोकर, एंड अब वो समय आ गया है कि जो अच्छे खिलाड़ी हैं हमारे देश में, जो अलग अलग टूर्नामेंट्स जीते हैं, उनको सम्मानित किया जाए, उनको अवार्ड्स दिया जाए, ताकि उनको और उनके जानने वालों को ये समझ आए कि एक स्पोर्ट की तरह हम इसको रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं, एंड वैसी रिस्पेक्ट इन प्लेयर्स को मिलनी चाहिए।
किस तरह की कैटेगरी होगी? जैसे एक अवार्ड में कैटेगरी होती है, बेस्ट सिंगर, बेस्ट म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर फिल्मों में, इसमें कैसे रखा जाएगा स्टेप बाय? पहले आपका परिचय हो जाए।
मेरा नाम अमीन रोज़ानी है, मैं स्पार्टन पोकर का एमडी और सीईओ हूँ। award categories, the broad categories over here is we have the best tournament player of the year, we have the player of the series, we have the key player of the series, we have the high roller of the series and the super high roller of the series. So ऐसे different categories है within the sport of poker जो primarily tournament game play को evaluate कर रहा है.
कुछ और बडिंग प्लेयर्स आगे जाके जैसे हर स्पोर्ट में होता है ना कि रुकी ऑफ द सीजन जो पहला सीजन में ही बहुत चमकते हैं, डेब्यू टाइप्स, तो ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स अवार्ड्स. और आज शाम को मेरे को लगता है कि बहुत धमाल होने वाला है.
सर आप कोई ऐसी चीज छोड़ी नहीं जिसमें आप ब्रांड एम्बेसडर नहीं रहे हैं, प्रोटीन से आपकी बात कर रहा हूं सर. हाँ सर. तो इसके ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बने क्या कहना चाहेंगे? मैं
एक्चुअली ये एक ऐसी चीज है जो मैंने ये नोटिस किया कि जिन चीज़ों में मेरे को दिलचस्पी है और इंटरेस्ट है वो सोशल मीडिया की वजह से या ऐसे काम करने की वजह से लोगों तक पहुंच जाता है, वही काइंड ऑफ ब्रांड्स आकर्षित होती है मेरी तरफ. तो ये जब इनको पता लगा कि मेरे को इस खेल में काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट है, तब इन्होंने अप्रोच किया. और मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मैं कोई एडवेंचर करूं और बाइक कंपनी मेरे पास आए, अगर मैं बास्केटबॉल खेलना चाहता हूँ और वो कंपनी मेरे पास आए, और अगर मैं पोकर, तो वो हुआ पोकर के साथ भी. और जब स्पार्टन पोकर मेरे पास आया मुझे बहुत खुशी है. और मेरे को ऐसा मेरे ही फ्रेंड सर्कल में लोग जानते हैं कि हाँ ही इज़ द राइट ब्रांड एम्बेसडर फॉर स्पार्टन पोकर. जब भी वो मेरे को किसी बिलबोर्ड पे देखते हैं वो ऐसा नहीं कहते कि हाँ कितना क्या है डील क्या है, वो कहते हैं यार यू आर द राइट गाय फॉर दिस, एंड दैट वैलिडेट्स इट. तो मेरे को बहुत खुशी है. एंड जब मुझे प्लेयर्स भी आके थोड़ा ऐसा रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं ना वो प्लेयर टाइप, तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ सर यू आर द राइट गाय. आई लाइक इट एंड खुशी होती है मुझे.
आपका फेवरेट गेम कौन सा है, मोबाइल पे हो या फिर वैसे?
पोकर. मेरे फ़ोन पे भी आप देखेंगे तो इनको एक्चुअली बहुत इन डेप्थ पता है कि मैं कितना खेलता हूँ. ऑन द मोबाइल आई डोंट प्ले एनी वीडियो गेम एक्सेप्ट फॉर पोकर. एंड इन रियल लाइफ आई प्ले अ लॉट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स. मैं बास्केटबॉल खेलता हूँ, क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ, फ्रिस्बी खेलता हूँ, और रियल लाइव गेम्स भी पोकर की हम लोग खेलते हैं टू अपना दिमाग को एकदम चटक रखने के लिए, चटक और स्मार्ट रखने के लिए.
सर कोई क्यों रणवीर से क्यों चुना?
ऑप्शन कहाँ है और
इतना अच्छा पोकर प्लेयर कहाँ मिलेगा? रणविजय इज अ गुड पोकर प्लेयर एंड वन क्वालिटी व्हाट ही हैज इज ये जो स्पोर्ट को पसंद करते हो उसको प्रमोट करते ना, तो एकदम लाइक ही डज इट विद हिज हार्ट. And when he does that, his following, people who follow him and want to become like Ranvijay, they say, okay, you know, he does it so well. मुझे भी ऐसे ही बनना है.
ऐसा तो नहीं, रणविजय के मतलब चाहने वाले डिजिटल पे बहुत ज्यादा हैं, चाहे एमटीवी का हो, रोडिस हो, कोई भी हो, उसकी वजह से तो नहीं है सर आपने लिया? हाँ. ये भी हो सकता है.
To be honest, जब मुझे पता चला कि you know रणविजय पोकर खेलते हैं, मैंने तब तक Instagram
30 साल की उम्र के जितने हैं वो फैन हैं.
ये सब मुझे रणविजय को मिलने के बाद पता चला. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, तभी तक तो हमने उनका इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट खोल के देखा ही नहीं था या उनका फेसबुक खोल के देखा ही नहीं था. सिर्फ ये पता था कि दिस गाय ही प्लेज पोकर एंड ही प्लेज इट रियली वेल एंड ही प्लेज इट विद हिज हार्ट. एंड आई थिंक खाली वही एक रिक्वायरमेंट चाहिए एक फेस के लिए जो हमारे ब्रांड को रिप्रेजेंट करे.
और बाकी जो आप बोल रहे हो वो बोनस सबको पसंद है.
बोनस क्या, बाकी सारा बोनस था.
थैंक यू गाइस.
जूरी मेंबर कौन बन रहेगा, किसके हाथ से?
The jury members for the awards.
So they have already won their awards. They have already won the title. Ranvijay himself will be felicitating them and giving them awards.
Thank you.
And a thought came to me that I was in my car. I could have run them over. I had a phone, I could call people. But what about those who don't have anything? And then another thought occurred to me, that I had been training in martial arts for the last 4 years, which is why I could scream at them. And the next morning we went to the beach and we started a class for the girls from not so privileged backgrounds and started teaching them self-defense. And what started with 5 girls is today a movement across 33 schools teaching more than 1,700 girls. And the most important part, it's all been possible because of all of you. How? Because you are what makes the community of the Spartan Poker and they have been instrumental. In fact, they have been our only system of support to make this dream possible. And it's a great opportunity for all of us to connect, not online, because online is what we put out and the glamorous pictures, but this is what the Spartan Poker stands for. And I'm extremely proud that Mukka Marg is associated with a company like that. I think it's a matter of great pride for all of you as well, because how often do we go online and play a game knowing that this is the outcome of that? I think it's a great accomplishment for all of us to be giving our time and efforts to something like this to make the world a better place for all of us. And talking about the dream is to be able to see that shy girl going up on stage and talking in front of 20,000 girls. And the dream is to see the girl in the burqa who's won a state level medal and changed her whole community, and that's what we stand for. We're looking at a nation full of fearless girls, and I don't get to say this very often because I'm surrounded by children, but we want to see fearless, badass women. That's what we want. Thank you everyone, and congratulations to all the champions who are going to be felicitated here. Thank you, Shubha.
Thank you so much.
Am I saying things? All right. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, a big round of applause. The first video that I saw, I have to say, I'm very proud to be part of an organization that does such good work. Congratulations to you. Moving forward, poker. All the people in here, congratulations. We're part of a really special bunch of people who have recognized poker as a mind sport. So, apne liye zordar taaliyan baja rahe bari. Nobody shies away from clapping for themselves. That's good. Many of you have played against each other under alias names or your real names and seen the kind of skill that all of you have. Today is a celebration of those people who won for the last 1 year in different tournaments. And this is a celebration of knowing each other, knowing each other's skill, their strategies, meeting each other and knowing that we belong together. Congratulations to Spartan Poker for FDR and everything that you said, but moreover, for believing into a sport that in India, whenever you talk to somebody and say, I'm a poker player, till about 4 years ago, was like, acha, par kaam kya karte ho? Right? How many of you have had that? Or 3 of you? Good. But moreover, when you tell somebody, once the awareness was spread, which is what I'm part of, when people learned more about the sport, the kind of skill that it needs, why is it that the same 4 or 5 people reaching the final table? It's not luck, it's the way they play. Why is it the only sport where even if what you're dealt is not the best on the table, you could still win? That doesn't happen in any other sport. If you're not the best batsman, you will not get the maximum runs. Yes or no? This is the one sport where when you start playing it, you change as a person. Instead of people thinking that you party a lot, you stop drinking. Because you don't want to drink when you play serious poker. You start meditating. I know players who started yoga because they take themselves seriously, they respect themselves as a sportsman. And that's exactly what kind of platform Spartan is here to offer. Is it too intense? Should I say? Is it too intense? So we're basically, what I'm trying to say is very proud of everyone in here, and I'm really happy that I'm part of this family for the last 3 years. And now let's begin the party. All right, thank you.